Hello everyone. Today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your screen time on Windows 11. Tracking your screen time can be a great way to manage your digital habits and increase productivity. So let's start the video to check screen time on laptop using Windows 11. Click on the Start menu icon, and then click on Settings. Select System tab on the left panel. Now click on Power and Battery section, so click on Power and Battery section. Scroll down and enter Battery section. Click on Battery Usage to expand it. Below this battery level graph you can see Screen on Time. So these are the details. So this is the screen on time. It's 2 hours 4 minutes. You can change the time interval. By default 24 is selected. So if we select last 7 days. So that's how to check your screen time on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button. And do subscribe to my channel for more Windows 11 guides.